guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. How can I train my curls? It's something that I get asked quite a lot on my page. You can train your curls by repetition. Using a styling brush to create a curl, your hair is like a mold in which can be easily manipulated over time. For instance, using a detangling brush or curling brush to achieve curls or finger curls. Over time, it becomes easier as your hair gets used to being that shape and that mold. You can say the same for when creating waves, because the most important step for creating waves would be brushing. Without the consistent use of brushing, you won't be able to achieve the goal. However, too much brushing can be bad because that's too much manipulation. A good treatment can be able to train your curls to be healthy and more elastic. You can do this by deep conditioning, having a protein treatment, a curly haircut, cutting your split ends, and using the right shampoo for you. And finally, having a hair reset. Every once in a while, your hair may need a reset from excessive styling or heat styling. Just to remove that product buildup, I would suggest having a good clarifying shampoo, hair mask, and also just letting the hair breathe. Like, comment, and share if you like this video.